Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my page. This is Paint with Lovejoy. Thanks so much for joining me today. And I want to send a huge shout out to all my current supporters on Patreon. It has definitely been a slow process for me getting involved and kind of growing this, but I am so grateful for your support. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I have made a few changes, and it's been a long time since I've made an intro video for this, so I just wanted to give you guys some updates and some things and directions that I'll be going in the future. So we have a few tiers on here. The $2 tier is going to be for the first time painter videos. A lot of the videos do not have a traceable with them because I want to make it easier for you to get comfortable painting, but I'll still post the video. Some of the videos do have traceables, and those will be available for you on that tier. Then if you move up to the $5 tier, that's what I consider my educators tier, and you'll have access to all the first time painting videos and traceables, the beginner painting videos and traceables, and most of the beginner ones do have traceables, and you'll find them right next to each other. You do have to kind of scroll through, so I apologize about that. And for that educator or any of those tiers really, teachers, librarians, parents, homeschoolers, babysitters, you are more than welcome to use anything in those tiers, the traceables, the videos, for your classroom, for your students, for your kids. It's kind of my way to just say, teachers, parents, educators, thank you so much for all the hard work that you do. You do not get paid enough, and this is kind of my way to give back to you. So feel free to utilize that. I do ask that you send me pictures of what your students create. I'll post them on here. I'll post them on my other social media stuff, but I like seeing what you guys create. So please send me pictures. As you move further up the tiers, the $9 tier, that's what I call the all access pass. You're going to get access to some of the full length, real-time narrated videos that I have. And there will be a specific code in there because it's going to take you to my Paint with Lovejoy website, and you'll be able to access that for free with the code. So check those out. The higher up tiers, those are going to have some email exchanges if you need me to give a feedback or critique on artwork. You can do that once or twice a month, or if you just want to full-on support what I am doing, all very grateful for it. Like I said earlier, I would not be where I'm at if it wasn't for your guys' support, and for this to be a passion project that has grown beautifully. I can't believe I'm still actually doing it. I can't believe it's where it's at. And the emails and the feedback that I get from all the students just really keep me moving forward. So thank you. Few other things that you're going to see on there. I'm going to have some options for some polls on there, so let me know what you want me to create. Please answer those polls because that's going to help me figure out which direction that I'm going. I am starting to hire more people. I'm starting to have somebody do my social media for Instagram. I'm looking for a video editor right now, and then someone to work on my newsletter. So it is growing enough that it is no longer a completely solo project on my part, but it's also still kind of slow going. So I appreciate you bearing with me. If you guys have any questions at all, please just shoot me an email, send me a message through Patreon. I check all my message areas in the morning and in the evening, and I do my best to kind of get back to everybody in a timely manner. So let me know what you think, let me know your questions, and definitely let me see what you guys are creating at home. So until next time, cheers.